In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find YouTube Music channel ID. First, open your browser and search for YouTube Music. Type YouTube Music into the address bar or into your search engine, then press enter. On screen, you should see search results that mention YouTube Music, usually with the familiar red and white play icon. If you already have YouTube Music bookmarked, you can also click that, but searching works the same way for everyone. Take a second to confirm that the result clearly says YouTube Music, not regular YouTube or any other music site. Once that is done, click the correct YouTube Music link and sign in if you are prompted. When you click it, the YouTube Music webpage opens, normally with a dark background and a sidebar with options like Home and Explore. If a sign-in page appears, enter your Google account details and continue. After you sign in, you should see your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. A quick tip here, if you manage more than one account, make sure the account shown is the one you actually use for music, so your recommendations and library look familiar. From there, use the search bar to find the artist name. At the top, you will see a search icon and a field where you can type. Click in that field and type the exact artist name you want the channel ID for, then press enter. A results page appears with sections for songs, albums, and artists. Look for the row or tile that clearly labels the artist, usually with a small text tag that says artist under their name. Beginners often click a random song result here, but you want the main artist entry, not a single track. Next up, click into the channel to load its homepage. Click the artist name or artist picture in that artist section. YouTube Music now opens the artist channel page, showing a header with their name, a big banner or image, and tabs like Overview, Songs, Albums, and similar. You are now on the channel whose ID you want. Give the page a moment to fully load so the address bar updates correctly in your browser. After that, look at the address bar at the very top of your browser. If the URL shows youtube.com, the long string of letters and numbers right after the word channel is the exact channel ID. For example, you might see youtube.com/channel/ then a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers all together. That entire block is the ID, and it stays the same even if the artist changes their name or branding. You can select that part of the link and copy it if you need to paste it into another tool or a spreadsheet. You have now found the precise YouTube Music channel ID for an artist, ready to use in your own tools or workflows. If this walkthrough helped you grab the right ID, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more clear how-to guides like this.